In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a draft bill in Xero. We'll move through this process step by step so you can quickly get a clean, printable version of any draft bill. This is helpful if you need a hard copy for approvals, filing, or sharing with team members who prefer paper or PDFs. Start by logging in to your Xero account. Once you're in, look to the main navigation and click Purchases. This is the area dedicated to what your business owes to suppliers. From there, open the Purchases overview. Think of this as your command center for bills, credit notes, and related activity. You'll see sections that help you drill down by status, making it easy to find exactly what you need. Next, head into the Bills section. This is where all your supplier invoices live. Because we're focusing on items that haven't been finalized yet, select the Draft tab. Draft bills are those still being prepared or reviewed, which makes them common candidates for printing before approval. Now, find the bill you want to print. Take a moment to confirm details like the supplier name, reference number, date, or amount, so you're sure you've got the right one. Once you've located it, look for the three-dot menu beside that bill. This is the More Options button that reveals actions specific to that bill. Click the three dots, then select Print. Xero will start generating a print-friendly version of the bill. Give it a moment to prepare the file. Depending on your browser settings, it may open a new tab or show a preview window. If it doesn't appear instantly, wait a few seconds for the loading to complete. When the printable bill appears, you have two choices. To print, use your browser's print dialog to select your printer, check page size and orientation, and confirm the print. If you prefer a digital copy, download the file as a PDF. In most browsers, you can choose Save as PDF from the print destination, or use the download icon if the preview provides one. Saving a PDF is a great way to keep a consistent, shareable copy without consuming paper. That's all there is to it. You've logged in, navigated to Purchases, opened the Purchases overview, accessed the Bills section, switched to the Draft tab, located your bill, used the three-dot menu to select Print, waited for Xero to generate the file, and then printed or downloaded it. Follow these steps anytime you need a polished copy of a draft bill for records, approvals, or communication with your team.